Next we have Siah Defense Contingent.
When India Independence Day mangtura kanunau local khom zong te in in central UME mingin chibai kabu ka cheu when hian Manipur sarkar te Meitei te palakdan hian Mizoram mipui te hi kan ril ruana kan unau te intor na hi kan tor pui chewa kan tor na kan ngai ni hi ka sai do ni voinia har satakin nam chan na na Ramria frontline duty tele huna thei to patram tu te po zana chibai kan buk chewa India sarkar le Manipur sarkar ten minen kol dana hian kan du khop athling lawani ti achianga chowang chuan pitam takin nunna an chana liam tuar tam tak an omani ti kan hria a voinian unna chan te zong po kan tor pui tak zeta an kalsan an chung te le zona thang mi pui zong te pathian en minom pui sena voinia liam tuar te po andam le thuai theina turin kan tong trai pui theu atulani voinia hian helai muna kan local chan in hria a zome steering committee ten min soma min som ma po hian local hi kan tum renga amai ro chu hun tha nei ahara khulama nasa takin kan buaya mi enge mozat sahim na zongin ral tlanin an lokala chong te buai puile kong frang in kan man lel ve hle a central way me ang hian local kan tum na hi arei to a amaro chu kan man lei thei lo a voinia kan in mukhom thei hi lo mum ka ti a voinia hian central way me na kan du ber chu khovel mun franga mizo na tha omte British sarkar in minlo thiar frante ram ria wangte minlo da frante hi unau kan ni in fethar zelin in pum khatnat thatak thuk tak thisen zom khat kan ni na nei thar leila ti hi central way me chona du tak zet ani voinia hian helai mun lamka chunga cheng te po tu ma in en frang lova unau kan ni na hria a achibil anam bil angakal lova mizo nam kan ni na hian chianga in lungrol takakal turin kadu chewa chumi ti theilo te chu laka chuan voinia hian kan tran ruala kan endong po ngain ka pia Chawang chuan voinia hian kan lung rual na kan in pum khat na kan unity dal tu zong te hi pai thangam turin voinia hian mi pui ta ka som du chawani voinia kan ka len spread administration po hi nei te rengila tun din muna kan din ni chuan kan nei kara hian ke mani hi kan indo ma lang ti chiang reng mai chu mizoram atanga po kan ron thir dana ni amuna pheijo ke ni ai din chiang don cho vai voi nia hian ho in pum khadam ngai tu na dam tak in sen to tin ka khia tun huna po front line na toy te kan vakala kang vaya te kan vakala kan duty te ha zia te reom taka thau si le ruwa puikara mani nam chan nana an duty te muin nuk au tak zet ani voi nia hian mi zo pa chuan kan vai bel don kan se ke rap ani ti kan fiat a thome chu wang chuan enga tinge enge molan sar du na mi mala oma ke mani awanga kan nam pui kan unau te ne kan in do ti te po hingai tu a hun to ni na kan du wang mai te po he ne mai lo mo ka ti ka sai du mana sang ni chau kum khan reng kaya HYO tele central way me te join conference kan nei to a so ta po chuan kan soi to a unau vet kan ni a ho in sui khom ang u ti te in kan so ma so ta po chuan mi pui lam hi chuan kan du nima asela hruai tu bor ten engemo awang yan kan phal thin lo cho wangin voi nia hian sa thak tu kan nei zong zong hruai tu rual zinga ko a omani chuan sa tha ila nang le ke hi khovel min muak a din chua theina tur ka survival ka khel na tur chuan ke ma hi chu number 2 a ka indaga ka nam mi number 1 na ka dang tingam mi puite ka som du chu le voi nia hian.
You know, this morning I could give a long and interesting speech about how well India has done, about how much we have developed in science and technology, about the fact that how other parts of the world wants to be friends with India. I could do that, but this morning I choose not to. Why? Because I cannot talk about all the things that make India look good while part of India is burning. That at this very moment, at this very hour, our brothers and sisters in Manipur are crying and dying, leaving their homes, not knowing when they will ever be able to return home. That at this very moment, our brothers and sisters in other parts of India are suffering from oppression, discrimination, and marginalization. I am unable to point to how great India is while remaining silent to injustice, while turning a blind eye to the reality of today. You know, Desmond Tutu once said, if you are neutral in situations of injustice, then you are siding with the oppressors. Celebration is not just about laughter. It's not just about jumping up and down in joy. Celebration is also about remembering. It's about commitment. It's about coming together. It's about awareness. Today I am able to celebrate this Independence Day because I belong to a community. I belong to CMC community who has chosen to speak out against injustice. I am able to celebrate today because I belong to this community who has chosen intentionally not to side with the oppressors. I can celebrate today because this community has intentionally chosen not to be disconnected with the reality of today. 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 26 says, if you are one body, and if any part of that body suffers, every part of that body suffers along with it. As we celebrate today, let us remember that being an Indian is about showing solidarity. It's about being the voice for the voiceless. It's about being able to not just show sympathy, but to be able to empathize. So this morning, as we come together, knowing that unity is strength, let us continue to join hands and continue the fight that our freedom fighters fought for. The fight for justice. The fight for a better tomorrow. Not just for me, but for the whole body that is called India. Jai Hind. Thank you.